final question the final question we're going to be looking at before we move on to the independent work is this. So we have the question: Dora, Whitney and Teddy are trying to work out the missing number. 40 take away 52 equals something. Now we know that if we were just looking at it and it was 100 take away 40, 100 take away 40 is equal to 60. But we've got this too. 60 take away 2 equals 58. So 400 take away 42 must be equal to 58. Okay, we're using our knowledge of our number bonds to 100 to help us work out these bigger sums. 40 plus 60 equals 100. But it isn't 40, it's 42. So if we've got 42, we need to take away this 2 from the 60, which equals 58. So the answer is 58.